How's it going? Welcome back to the daily grind. I done got my sweat going on this morning. Let's see what's going on. Okay, whoa, easy Rube. Standing on the piles. Already got jams cut, swept, vacuumed, pad rolled out. Fixing to go. Lucas got everything set up nicely. Always got it going on like that. Working out of multiple piles. I want to point something out here too. You notice this probably on all my jobs. All the nail holes in my floors always look dark. It's because they get vacuumed out. Not necessarily too dramatic about the nail holes, but any sizable cracks that has dirt and junk in it, anytime you drop, pow, a bang of wood, you hit the floor or something, that stuff migrates up to the surface. Then you have garbage underneath your pad that's going to crunch and crackle and pop and all that mess. Anyway, always take just a minute, run my chisel vacuum hose over the cracks. You can definitely see a difference here. This has not been vacuumed, it's only been swept, so look at that. And then look at that huge difference in that and that. Anyway, let's get some stuff going on. Alrighty, once again, we are in a tough little spot here. So how we're gonna get that locked in? Simple. We simply shave off that tongue. Put some of that in there. Slide it together just like that. That's how we do it. Tight bond 2. Okay, we got this hallway completely done up all the way to the wall now. So henceforth we are ready to rock and roll. We got this all the way here. So now we can get us a nice run right here on our straight wall. The rest of the room is just a straight square. Going to be beautiful. Super fast work here. Okay, we are starting out here in the master closet now. This is two different levels. So this sets down about 30 inches and that's only about 14 inches or something like that. But anyway, the wall on the other side over there stops right here. So we got that much more of an inset over here. So what I'm gonna do, I didn't want to end up with a little strip or anything right in front of this. By no means. I wanted pretty much a full plank because that's the main visual. When you walk in the door, that's what you're going to see right there. So I wanted that to be beautiful. Nice big piece right in front of it to work and look good and everything like that. So what I'm doing, I am getting me a full run all the way down there and all the way down here. And then after I get a whole run put in right there, I will take and measure, because these walls are not straight back here. I'm going to measure off of this long wall right here and get it straight with that long wall and backfill. I want to backfill because I didn't want to try to work up under that. I'd rather work under these couple door jambs right here, boom, boom, versus trying to work under that. So that's what I'm doing. One full piece, measure off the front raw, get it all straight, backfill, and then carry on frontwards. Okay, so we got all this hallway area here done up to the master bedroom. And oh yeah, man, you didn't think I was gonna leave that mess right here where it was all staggered out, did you? Stepping it on the way up? No, I was just messing with y'all. We got this closet all done. And that turned out really nice. Looks really good. And this little corner area right there, so they don't have to put any trim right there and make it look all stupid. So that is it. Anyway, we are going to get out of here. We will definitely be back tomorrow and check it out. We just got a little bit left to get finished up right there. That little bit is all we got left to finish. So we will get that done tomorrow. Alrighty. We got everything else all finished up here. So we are done with this job. We yet have to do, he just now ordered the transitions, the T-modes here yesterday or the day before, I think, because he forgot about them. This job was actually a cash and carry job. The client was going to install this themselves and they decided against it after, for whatever reason, but got that in there. And that's a good idea. I didn't see how I got that on the inside there. I didn't even think about that. I don't guess it matters. It's a little far, it looks like, but oh well, nothing will ever be back there seen or anything like that. Probably won't even get base in the back of that, honestly. But I left a spot right there for a T-mold. And everywhere else, T-mold. And we're done. We are done. Tell you what, I am absolutely not a fan of laminate, but this is a nice looking laminate, I'll say that. Turned out to be a real pretty floor. Everything went well. All the laminate worked good. The client is absolutely tickled to death with everything. It always makes you look good when a person comes out in front of you and is not able to do it or just has a bunch of problems, and then you come in behind them and be a professional. It sure speaks a lot of volume to the client. So we are fixing to get outy-bouty. We got the back all cleaned up, got all of our garbage gone, blowed it off for the most part anyway. And go ahead, it's okay. I'm gonna go right that way. You're all right. this is what we got done yesterday. So, oh good. I tell you what, I really like the way that turned out right there. I might start doing that more often. Actually, any situation like that I would, but I like that a lot better than relying on a bunch of stupid trim. I tell you, honestly, most of these things, when they're like this, they stick out further. They're about that far instead of just a little bit like they did there. But either way, it sure turned out nice, and I am pleased with everything. Anyway, maybe something was said, shown, whatever, sometime throughout this job, where it would, I don't know, maybe something a little different than the way you do it. And you're like, I like that, or whatever. You may give that a try, or whatever. Maybe it just did something as simple as encourage you. But nonetheless, thank you guys for tuning in to the Daily Grind. Until tomorrow, FBSB's out.